And moving on, as the bronze medal winning Indian hockey team that arrived to a hero's welcome at the Delhi airport this Saturday morning, a large crowd of supporters who gathered to receive the hockey stars at the airport raised celebratory chants. A few of the hockey stars were also seen breaking into an impromptu jig as drum beats rolled. Watch this report.
The Indian men's hockey team, which won bronze at the Paris Olympics in a repeat of their feat in the Tokyo Games, was accorded a grand reception on their arrival at the Delhi airport. Loud celebratory chants went up the crowd as the bronze-winning hockey stars came out of the arrival gate at the Delhi airport. A few of the hockey champions were seen shaking a leg to drum beats as the crowd cheered them on. Amid loud chants, the captain of the Indian men's hockey team, Harmanpreet Singh, rued missing out on the gold, but said winning a medal for the country means a lot.
खाली हाथ वापस नहीं आए हैं, बैक टू बैक ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीतना ये भी हिस्ट्री है हॉकी के लिए और आई थिंक बहुत प्राउड हैं हम।
किसको डेडिकेट करेंगे ये मेडल?
ये पूरे इंडिया को करेंगे कि जितना आप लोगों ने सबने प्यार दिया है हमें वो हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और ये स्पोर्ट आपकी हमेशा हमारे साथ रहे यही उम्मीद करते हैं।
बहुत बड़ी जीत समझते हैं क्योंकि जो हमारी लेगेसी है उसको मेंटेन कर रहे हैं हम, क्योंकि लास्ट हम जैसे ब्राउन्ज आया था इस बार भी हमने हमारे माइंड में ये था कि हमने कलर चेंज करना है, बट जो हम हॉकी खेल के आए हैं अपनी बेस्ट हॉकी अगर देखा जाए 52 ईयर के बाद हमने ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हराया है ओलंपिक में, उसके बाद एक बंदा को कार्ड हो के उसके बाद हमने फुल मैच खेल के वो मैच क्वार्टर फाइनल जीता है, तो आई थिंक बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग है।
हॉकी की हिस्ट्री स्पेशली ओलंपिक में बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है। जैसे हमारे 8 गोल्ड मेडल हैं पहले है ना 90s में, और ब्रॉन्ज मेडल हैं, सिल्वर मेडल हैं, और वो वाले टाइम में ऐसा था भी बिल्कुल ही मतलब 100% हम श्योर होते थे भी हॉकी में मेडल आएगा ही आएगा ओलंपिक्स में, और हम लोग वो टाइम फील कर रहे हैं, अभी वो टाइम वापस आ रहा है और वापस आ गया है, क्योंकि बैक टू बैक मेडल लेके आना ओलंपिक में छोटी बात नहीं है। और ठीक है अभी हमने ब्राउन्स बैक टू बैक लेके आए हैं, लेकिन इन फ्यूचर जो भी टूर्नामेंट हुएंगे ये मेडल का कलर भी चेंज होगा और परफॉर्मेंस भी इससे बेटर होगी।
Meanwhile, in a special gesture, the pilot of the Air India flight led the passengers and crew in giving a round of applause to the bronze-winning hockey stars. Earlier, PR Srijesh, the retiring shot stopper of the bronze-winning hockey team, relieved his last dance for the country at the Olympics. His family members said that they couldn't wait to receive Srijesh, who announced earlier that Paris Olympics was going to be his last.
PR Srijesh, the full name, Para to Ravindran Srijesh, who has scripted history from a hamlet in Kirakambalam in Kerala, where there's hardly just one international turf for hockey. A champion has been born, and today I'm joined by the family of this champion. I'm standing at the very house. You can just see the medals that this man has won for the country. Around 329 international games he has played in his lifetime, and he has scripted history. He has become a champion while he sat on the goal post, and the entire team, including the captain, carrying him on the shoulder. It was a moment for this family, and you can see the family members are also here joining. His father Ravindran, his mother Usha, and his wife, spouse Anisha, and sister-in-law Danya. What is the emotion that went through when you saw this moment?
Actually, it was a speechless moment, and achieving bronze medal in the retirement match truly filled my heart with immense pride and joy, and it is beyond such an emotion that I cannot express through words.
You know, retirement. In fact, his sister-in-law has flown all the way from Canada. They have jet lag just to see the match. Danya and his entire family has come down. So Danya, what does it feel like your brother-in-law has retired, and he has retired on a high? What does it feel for you?
In fact, it is such an honor and happiness for us to be with the family at this time.
Though they fell short of their target to win gold at the Paris Olympics, the nation rises to our hockey champions for bringing glory to the country.